Hello, I'm Solbert, I'm the computer voice of Seoul, Texas company. HAProxy stands for High Availability Proxy, and is an open-source software used for load balancing and high availability of applications and web services. Working as reverse proxy, it is widely used in environments demanding scalability, performance, and reliability. We can install HAProxy on our equipment from FWCloud. We just have to go to the Plugins tab and check the HAProxy box. Setup is also very simple. We unfold the System section. We click on HAProxy, and we can start adding the configuration rules. There are 3 types of rules. Default configuration rules, these include the initial configuration necessary for our service. They can be edited and modified to customize the configuration. We also have manual rules that allow us to freely add any parameters or advanced settings, or just comments. And the HAProxy rules that allow us to balance the services or applications. This last type of rules requires 4 fields. The IP address where the service listens to, and the port. The IP address or addresses to which incoming requests are redirected to. And the corresponding port. Once the rule is created, we can place a comment. We can add as many rules as we need for the services we want to provide through HAProxy. To see how the rules would look in the configuration, we can compile them individually. Or all together. We can see the file with all the configuration. And download it to have a backup copy. If we are satisfied with the configuration, we can install it on the equipment. The installation overrides any settings in the file, haproxy.cfg, by the configuration obtained from the rules that we view in FWCloud. Finally, we can run the service. Check the status. Just like stopping it. Restart it. Make it reload its settings. And disable it. Enable it at computer startup. We hope this video has been shown how FWCloud simplifies the installation, configuration and maintenance of HAProxy. Please stay tuned to learn more new features about FWCloud UI.